Hi everyone, it's Paul from Merchant Spring. So Amazon has just released the new retail analytics reports for Amazon vendors. The good news is they're already available inside the Merchant Spring platform. Let me take you on a 1-minute tour on some of the new things you can find. Let's go. So the first thing you need to know is how to connect an Amazon vendor store. That's straightforward. Simply go to the ad channel and select Amazon vendor instead of Amazon seller that you're used to. The process is virtually identical. It uses the same selling partner APIs and is very, very seamless. We'll grab the first 60 days worth of history in order to populate your account. Once you're connected, you'll notice a range of different reports becoming available on your Amazon vendor account. Let me quickly show you what's there. There are 3 specific reports that you may find useful. The first one is ordered revenue. This is the demand side of Amazon and tells you what products are consumers buying and how often are they looking at those products. So this is the incoming demand picture and shows you both at an account level as well as a product or ASIN by ASIN level, what is your ordered revenue, your units, your average price, or the price that Amazon is selling your product for, as well as the conversion rate. This is really useful because it doesn't only allow you to see trends, it also helps you to understand which product display pages are most popular and which ones are converting the least or the most, giving you great insight in terms of where to advertise or where to invest energy to optimize your content for SEO purposes or conversion purposes. Secondly, there's a ship revenue report. This actually tells you your sellout data for Amazon vendor. So how many units for your products is Amazon shipping out of their warehouse to the end consumer? And as you can see, we're looking at that in terms of shipped revenue, shipped COGS, and shipped units. The other thing we can do is we can toggle this view between what's being shipped out of your inventory, also known as the sourcing view, or what is Amazon shipping as a whole. Perhaps that includes other vendors or distributors that sell the same product to Amazon. Last, we combine this data to give you a view of your sourcing share. In other words, of all the products that Amazon shipped, how many of those were shipped from your inventory as opposed to someone else's inventory? And therefore, what are the COGS that you've been missing out on because Amazon's picked from someone else's inventory? So we'll show you missed COGS, sourcing share on a trend basis, but also have a look at that on a product by product basis so that you can see for which particular ASINs or product are you losing most COGS, where are the biggest opportunity, what are the units like, but also how does your unit COGS compare to that of the alternative? In other words, is there a difference between your unit COGS and your competitor's unit COGS? And could that be the reason as to why Amazon is sourcing product from them? Last but not least, all of these widgets are now available inside our reporting module as well. If you do have a requirement to report to your client around their Amazon vendor performance on a weekly or monthly basis, or if you're an Amazon vendor yourself, within your organization, you can choose all of this data for inclusion in the report and schedule them accordingly. I hope that makes sense. If you're not using this feature yet, why don't you try and connect an Amazon vendor store to our platform and see if you can get some great value out of it for your business and your clients. Thank you.